So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Sparckman. I'm a game developer. So today I want to show you a brand new game engine. Now this game engine allows you to create games without the need of complicated coding. The game engine is called Platago. So it's basically a platform game maker, and to be honest, I think this might be the easiest game engine in the entire planet. So basically you can make a game the same day you open the game engine. That's how easy this game engine is. Okay, of course this only makes platform games, so I just want to make that clear because it's actually called Platago Platform Game Maker. Alright guys, okay guys, before we get started, don't forget to smack the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you play Fortnite, don't forget to use creator code SparckmanX. That sounded like an insert. It wasn't. I just did a different voice. Alright, so let me just open this. I'm gonna go to Platago, open, and we're going to create our first platform game. Okay, here it is. Just turn it down, it's a bit loud. There you go. First, let's play one of the games made with Platform Game Maker, or Platago. Alright, so here we go. Let's see, this was added when? Oh, okay, this was added yesterday. Yesterday? No, I don't even know the date. Alright, so let me just open it. And it has a map. And I guess I'm here. And press the play button. It is dangerous out there, Fox. Take this. Oh wait, I think I mixed up with Zelda. Alright, so here is my character. And I can move the arrows. And if I press spacebar, I can jump. Okay. So let me guess, I have to collect those diamonds in order for the door to open. Let me just confirm my suspicions. Oh ships, man, I died. Alright, yes, you have to collect the diamonds. Shine bright like a diamond. Or collect the shiny diamonds. Everybody loves diamonds. Why do people like diamonds? I mean, you can't eat them. But you can trade them for skins in Fortnite, which is good. You know, so now I want diamonds. I can die again, you mother. You man. Can I? This was clearly a noob who made this game. Oh ships, man, I must got the diamonds. Everyone loves diamonds. If I don't get this now, I'm just gonna be super pissed off. And dun. Alright, here is level 2. Just one more gem. Are you kidding me? Alright, screw this. So let's make our own game. Let's go to create. Okay, so let's make our own platform game. Let's see, let's grab some terrain. Okay, you can just drag and create levels extremely fast. Here's our player. And let's press play. Okay, that's good. That's super fast. If you fall, you get to respawn. That's good. Just like that. Press escape. Okay, this might be easier than I actually thought. This is lava. I can put lava at the bottom here. And for what I understand, you can change these assets. You can animate them if you wanted to, but we're not going to worry about that in this video. I just want to show you how easy it is to make a game in this. I'm surprised nobody has come up with this idea before. People spend 2 or 3 days creating collisions, assets, and all that kind of stuff, when you can simply have a template like this. Flowers, these are front ground objects or background objects. Those are breakable bricks. Let me see. Those break. Press play. I think you can break them from the bottom. Perfect. So basically, if you had, let me see, So basically, if your level is like this, okay, press play. Wow, just like that. Wow, it's just so pretty. Now let's test ladders. Try this one here. Try it out. Break the brick. Wow, just like that. Yeah, I think I'm going to make a full game like this. Alright, one more thing, let's see. So I just want to give a quick overview of this game engine. Moving platforms. Okay, so let me see. Keep stacking this. Okay, so these objects have, if you right click on these objects, they have menus. Horizontal distance to 6. Okay. Place it. Let's delete this other item there. I like that you can see it right away. There is the platform. Maybe I should have made it faster. But that's okay. So there you go, guys. Your own platform game in Platform Maker. Wow, this might be bad news for Gamemaker, or I believe this game engine is only about $5 if I'm not mistaken. What else can we have here? We got walking enemies. Now you can change those, you don't have to have these. Oops. That's a lot of objects to cover in one video, but yeah, so I'm just gonna show you a couple here. We got weapons. Pick up a weapon. Let's try fire. I think it's fire. We're gonna put the weapon over here, so you have to go across. Alright, so let's try it out. Guess you get a weapon now. And that works fine. But you didn't see that well. Let me just see. Place more enemies. Like I said, you can change those. Let's see, place another one over here. Play it. So there you go, guys. If you want to make your own platform game, check out Platigo Platform Game Maker. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you in the next video.